Hello everyone, welcome to Dhriti 365. This is a video update on day 7. On this day, I had to complete justice, conception of justice. So, first of all, what I did was I compiled all the PYQs, which is very important to know the various themes that have been asked in previous year question papers. As you can see, I have added questions till 2025. The recent questions has been quite descriptive, so to say. I mean, this is first topic in which I have to prepare most of the questions which are descriptive. As you can see, you can only see one question which is from question number 1, that is 150 words. The rest are more than 250 words questions. So it is going to be a very important chapter, and I need to prepare it substantively. Let's head to the first thing. So the first topic here is what is justice. So although it has never been asked, but I need to prepare the notes just in case it gets asked anytime soon. So yeah, the justice will contain its, first of all, its definition, scope of justice, then philosophical context, then comes the justice as a dynamic idea, uh, some thinkers to value add, and then the relationship between equality, liberty and justice, given by Ernest Barker. Okay, so these are the things that are needed when a question on justice comes. The next is differentiate between traditional and modern concept of justice. It is something that has been asked already in a different manner in the PYQ. As you can see, this is the question I was talking about. Make a comparative assessment of Greek perspective of justice with Rawlsian concept of justice. So it is more or less similar to differentiate between traditional or classical conception of justice with modern conception of justice. So these are the important aspects on which they have been differentiated. So I have written them all. Next part is dimension of justice. Although never asked till date, I thought it is something that has things of value, and recently the questions have been quite subjective, I would say. It has changed the pattern, so such questions may get asked in near future. So these are the 3 dimensions of justice. After finishing dimensions, I went forward to differentiate between the procedural theory of justice and substantive theory of justice. This is also something that has been asked. So these are the differences between procedural and substantive theory. 5 points of difference, I think it is good enough. Next is difference between the retributive and distributive justice. Although it is not quite difference between retributive and distributive justice, I have only written retributive justice in this much. It is more like a description of distributive justice. It is the only 10 marker that has been asked till date. So I have included it in my notes. It might get asked in near future. So these are the 3 criteria which are usually invoked to determine the principle of distributive justice. 3 criteria, and Conclusion. That's it for today, guys. I will be finishing the most important thing of justice as a concept tomorrow, that is Rawls' theory of justice and its critique. Because as you can see from the beginning, original position, Rawls' theory of justice, a communitarian theorist. This is also related to Rawls' theory of justice. Difference principle, Rawls' theory of justice. Critically examine Rawls' argument for democratic equality. Rawls' theory is both contractual and distributive. Distributive justice, this we have done right now. Rawlsian justification of discrimination to achieve goals of social justice. Again, Rawls. Communitarian perspectives on justice, we'll do tomorrow. This one we have done. How has Rawls enriched the idea of justice in liberalism? Again, Rawls' theory of justice. Entitlement theory is also kind of related to Rawls. The next is, again, these two questions are still related to Rawls' idea of justice. So yes, we'll be covering a lot tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.